Enjoy the finest upscale city living suite with fully upgraded finishings throughout and fantastic views. This unit is located on the 27th floor of this 36-story high-rise. The living room is bright and spacious with large windows allowing an abundance of natural light. Step outdoors to your own private patio to enjoy your morning coffee. Open kitchen with upgraded European cabinets, quartz countertops, engineered hardwood floors, and stainless steel appliances. The bedroom is sizable with large windows and an open closet with its own private patio facing downtown. Quick access to public transportation, river paths, shopping centers, business core, Kensington, Eau Claire, grocery, and major highways like Crowchild Trail and Memorial Drive.